I'll never quite understand this one. Lots of people down here can afford to buy vessels, but apparently nobody can get lines or fenders. So we've got the jet ski on the right over here with this young lady holding it, no lines. We've got this boat on the dock, on dock 3. Apparently our lines here are this young lady and the gentleman in the bow of the boat. And here we go to dock 4, and why would we change anything up? I mean, if it's not broken, don't fix it, I guess. We're gonna not have lines on dock 4 either. We're just gonna hold this boat here. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting 79th. So this one's always interesting. When I get a chance to go back and look at these videos, we miss things down here at the ramp sometimes. Like right here, we've got the jet skis in front of us, and it's kind of distracting us of this boat that's loading in front of us. And here we'll see this guy, he's gonna go down. But we actually kill the clip because we can't see him with the jet skis in front of us. And my man's trying to navigate his way through all these skis. So down here at 79th at the end of the day, the rental companies bring their skis back here and load them up and get them out of here. So we'll see like one person towing 10 jet skis. But they're really kind of waiting for their trailers to get down here, so they're really just sitting around. So our guy here in this vessel is going to try and navigate between all of them and hopefully find himself a dock. And he's making his approach. Nice slow approach, which is definitely what you want to do right now because it's just crazy busy down here. But it looks like they've eyeballed the dock they want, and they're going to go ahead and make their approach. It appears on 4. And here, if you take a look, right behind the number 3 pole, you're going to see our guy who fell that we missed. So the crew's getting ready. They're going to go ahead and take aim, get some lines out on the ready, which is obviously, as we mentioned earlier in this video, a very rare scene down here. But our guys are almost there. They've got a good angle, and the approach is going to look pretty good. And he's going to get the stern line tied out for him, and then we'll have to probably work on a bow line, because I didn't see anybody do that, but these types of vessels, it's a little more difficult to get a bow line on because there's no open cockpit up front. So the bow is starting to drift off a little bit. And we'll get it pulled back over. And we've got a second line, so we're going to go for a bow line. Looks like our guy who's going for the assist, they just hand him the line, so he's going to attempt to attach this bow line. And this is never a good idea. Never 1 foot on the dock, 1 foot on the boat. That doesn't play out well, ever. Oh, he goes for a swim. Man, that one must be karma right there. Somehow we missed the first fall, but we got the second one. And our man took a dive. I don't see anybody scrambling, so hopefully he's okay. And it looks like our girl's trying to pull him up on the dock. It's not very deep right here. I'm not sure why he doesn't just walk up the ramp. So he looks like he finishes the job, actually. He attaches the bow line while he's down there. And now she has it, so they'll get the boat over. This boat must be with them. And it looks like we've got another guy coming over for the assist. And I'm still, where's our guy at who fell in, though? Oh, here we go. He's getting the assist out of the water. And he is nice and drenched now. But he appears to be okay, and that's the good thing. Anytime I see somebody fall, that's one of the first things I want to make sure of, is that we're at least all right. And here we got one of our local towboats coming in at 79th, and I can't see what they've got. It must have a jet ski of some kind. Oh no, that's why I couldn't see what they had, because it's half sunk. Well, somebody had a bad day out on the water. But, I mean, at least they recovered it. Or at least were able to hopefully maybe stop it from sinking. I wonder what happened in this situation here. That's the tough part of some of the things we'll see down here at the ramp, is you'll never really find out exactly what went on. I don't have a clue, but somehow he got out there into Biscayne Bay and things went wrong, and fortunately somebody was able to come to his aid. And here we go, the 79th Street boat ramp doing 79th Street things. It's always a party down here. I don't know why I'm always surprised when I see this stuff. It should just be expected anymore. But here comes our crew heading into the docks, and they've got a jet ski in tow as well. Looks like they're having a good time. Let's see how this handles as they approach the dock. But everybody on this boat's fired up to be down here. And our girl waves to the camera. And it's funny because these guys aren't even facing the camera, so it's not like they're dancing for the camera. They're just dancing to be at 79th Street. And this crew is coming in. Well, our guy's going for a swim. Probably not the best spot to go for a swim, especially on a busy day down here. But our crew's going to approach the dock. We've got fenders out. And lines ready. I mean, this crew's about as ready as anybody's we see, I guess. And the true slow roll approach here, I mean, he's taking it easy as he approaches the dock. And this crew looks like they're not going to have a whole lot of troubles. You never know. When you see these guys come in partying like this and having a good time, you never know if people have had a little bit too much fun out there in the water and what we're going to see as they approach the dock. But our Cap's got it down. I mean, he really does. He's just making a nice, slow, easy approach. And it doesn't look like they're going to have a whole lot of issues on this one. And they should be good to go. Well, speaking of good to go, they're going to get out of here, and we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Boats vs. Haulover channel, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, Miami, Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.